So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a symbology to a feature layer in ArcGIS Online. So now let's get started. So now to apply symbology to a feature layer, first in this layer section here we have this layer called USA. So we're going to apply the symbology for this particular layer. So now to apply the symbology for this particular feature layer, I'm going to navigate to this option called properties. So now here I'm going to navigate to this option called edit layer style. So once you selected the styles, now choose which field you want to map, and the order will affect how some styles applied. So you can apply your symbology using your field options or an expression, or the second option, which is the pick a style. So now we're going to select this option called style options here. So now in the symbol style here I'm going to click this option. So now in the symbol style here we have different options, starting with the outline width. You can adjust the outline width according to your choice here, and you can select a desired color of your choice. For example, I'm going to select so now I can select your desired outline color here. For example, I'm going to select a black color to it, and I'm going to click done here. So before you can able to see the color code here. So for this particular color it indicates this set of code, and in case you're going to select a different color, it's going to indicate a different set of codes here, so you can able to see that. And let me select black color to it, and next step I'm going to click done here. And once you applied it, you can adjust the transparency according to your choice here. So you can adjust my transparency here, and also you can adjust the width here, the width of the line here, so you can able to see that. You can adjust the width. And next is a solid fill. So for example, I'm going to increase to 1 here, or let me reduce to 1. And last is a solid fill. So the fill color you can select according to your choice here. For example, currently it is in purple color. I'm going to change to a different or I'm going to select a no color to it. So right now it is no color. So once you selected your outline and your fill color, so next I'm going to click this option called done. So now it's going to apply the symbology. So we're going to click done here. So once we applied the basic symbology, next step I'm going to add my wildfire data. So to do that, I'm going to navigate that section here. So I'm going to click this option called browse layers. And in the browse layers, you can select your desired section where you can add your data. For example, I can add the data from Living Atlas or from my content section from my contents. So now I have selected from Living Atlas, and I'm gonna search by wildfire USA. So now I've selected wildfire USA. So this particular data is provided by S3, so I'm gonna add this. So now we have added the wildfire data here. So now we have added our wildfire data into our feature layer here. So in this video I have shown you the basic symbology in ArcGIS Pro. So in the next video we're gonna grow in depth about the symbology section in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.